Let me show you how I draw this pie chart diagram in Origin Pro. This diagram is very important when you want to show your data in research paper, review paper, in your thesis or in business presentations, because it clearly shows the contribution of different parameters toward the main goal. So let's get started. This is the data where I drawn this pie chart diagram. You can change this data according to your requirement. This could be China, USA, India, and Brazil. So it's up to you that which type of data you want to use. Here you can also put the crude oil, the petroleum, here the gas, natural gases. So any data you can put and you can generate this pie chart diagram. So let's get started. So here we have two columns. So just I need to select the columns, and just at this bar here we have this icon here, and here is a pie chart, 3D color pie chart. But if you do not have this bar here, so you can simply go to the plot here. When you go to the plot here, so just come here and click on this pie chart here. So you will see this 3D color pie chart. So when I click this one here, so you can see here the pie chart is formed here. So now whenever I want to do changes, I simply need to click on that. So when I click on this, so a box is appear here. So we can see here there are many tabs here, this pattern, pie geometry, labels in. So let's do one by one. So in this pattern here we have the border here. This side is on the border. So okay, the border I want black, fine here. And it's you want to increase the width, so you can increase the width to 2 and apply. You see, you will see the effect very easily. You can change the style here, but I want to keep it solid here. So this is if you want to change the color, so it's up to you. So make it red. Yeah, you see here, so everything, but I want to keep it black here, right? Okay, now this is the pattern here. So the increment here, the increment just they started from here, but let me start from here. I think I have used this one. Yeah, you see here. So this is the increment. So you can start from any. I start from this one. So yeah, I like this here. So this is now increment. Now the pattern, I don't want to use the pattern, but I think this not looks like good here. So if you want to use, you can use, but I'm not using the pattern here, the pattern color, etc. Okay. And here again, I want to use only the common color, and I just don't want to use the true color or something like that. Okay, I just want to not use this option here because it's look good here. Okay, now this tab we cover. There is nothing left here. We have now. Let's go to pie geometry. This is the most important tab in this video here. Now look here, this 3D view here. This 3D view means 33. If you increase this here, so you will see here. Let's make it 80 here, so you will see the effect here. You see, it's changing the view here, but keeping 33 is the best to look to see the data here. Now this is the thickness now, 33. So if you want to increase this to 50 here, so the thickness will increase here. You see, but it still not look good. So 33 is still fine in my case, right? It's very interesting. And if you want to rotate these, for example, if you want this white to be in other place, so you can also click this one, so you will see the changes here. You see, or you can also use this data to change this here. So you can also change from here, rotate this. You see here, yeah, it's very nice. But I will also again keep 33 here. You see here. Now this 70%, this basically shows the radius. If you want to make it bigger, so make it 90 here. You see, this option is 70. We will keep it 70. Correct. Now this thing is clear now. Now if you want to take the edge outside, for example, if I only want to take this zinc outside. So you see, this is now how I did here. Very interestingly, and if you want to keep it far, so make it 50. You see, very interesting. But let's keep it 25 here. If you want to, sometimes it is also good. For example, if you want to show the important data, so you just make this edge out in the pie chart diagram. But in my case, I did all here, so I have to select all here. Very simple, very simple. Okay, so this is how we did things, right? This tab is also clear now. Now let's go to this labels here. You want to show the values, percentage, category, etc. So here If you don't want to use the percentage, you just select this one, but I want to show the percentage here. The X percentage is there, right? And now this is important here. If you want to bring this away, it will go away. Now if you want to bring into the top here, so I will click select 0 here, but still not, so I have to use minus sign. This is very important, right? Minus 20. Yeah, it works. Let's make it minus 40, so it will still reach. Somehow you see here. Yes, this is how thing works here, right? So this is, we finish everything here. And now this numerical format, you want to decimal or something, so it is we are fine here at this decimal here, right? Let me click this one now. Now if you want to do changes in this one, so right click here and go to property. I usually use this one here, the shadow line here. Yeah, it is like that, you see here. I put it here, right? Yes. If you want to make this board here, so you have to click on this one here. For example, if you want to make this board here, so you have to click here, so another box will appear here, right? So for example, here you can make this board here, you can change the color, or you can change everything here. If you want to make this white here, yeah, it's still, you see, you can do this. Yeah, this is also white will good, I think, because look, this matching with the background. So make here, and you can also increase the size here. Yeah, everything is in your hand. So how I did this diagram, how I draw this diagram, let's compare here. So you will see that I draw this diagram, similar diagram. Yeah, there are no value here with this one. Yeah, let's bring the values. Yeah, I forgot. So yeah, bring the value from here. So yeah, from this value here as well. And category also, yeah, category. So when you apply this category, yes. So don't bring the value here, only category. Yes, fine. You see. So this is how we draw this diagram. If you have any comment related to this video, please do not hesitate to comment in the comment section. And please like, share, and subscribe my channel.